The section 3 is very different from the section 1 and 2. In fact, as you remember, in the section 1 and 2, the topics are mainly related to everyday life. Whereas in section 3 and 4, the topics are more academic, more sophisticated and formal. Specifically in section 3, you will hear 2 or more people discussing and talking about an academic topic. It can be a seminar, a debate, a lecture, a group meeting where there is interaction and also an exchange of opinion and ideas. Therefore, in this section, you will not only focus on factual information and basic data, but also on opinions, so subjective information. You may be asked to answer multiple choice questions where they ask you what is the opinion of each person in the dialogue. Therefore, it is very important that you identify the various people on the dialogue and that you listen to the specific information they share. As you know, you will have the various answers in a sequence. So first you will find the answer to the first question, and then to the second, and then to the third one. If you miss one of the questions, just focus on the next one. You may be able to fill this gap after the listening, when you will be able to transfer the information from the answer to the answer sheet. In this section, you may be also asked to complete a diagram or to match information. Because this section is more academic and a bit more difficult compared to the section 2, you will find sophisticated language and technicalities. But don't worry, in one of our videos you will find all the vocabulary that is essential to get the highest grade in the IELTS listening. With this video you have all the information you need to know what to expect from the section 3 of the IELTS listening, and you can start practicing. In the next video I'm going to talk about the section 4.